Welcome to our educational video on understanding and implementing the case study approach in qualitative research. Qualitative research is a method used to gain an in-depth understanding of a particular phenomenon or topic. One popular approach in qualitative research is the case study method. The case study approach involves analyzing a specific case or multiple cases to gain insights and draw conclusions. It allows researchers to explore complex phenomena within their real-life context. Case studies provide rich and detailed data, offering a holistic view of the subject of study. To implement the case study approach, researchers carefully select cases and collect various types of data. They may use interviews, observations, documents, or even artifacts to gather information. Once the data is collected, researchers analyze and interpret it to generate meaningful insights. The findings from case studies can contribute to theory development and inform future research. So, whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply curious about qualitative research, understanding the case study approach is essential. Start exploring the world of qualitative research and unlock new perspectives with the case study approach. This video is curated by Dr. Philip Adu, methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting.